time.
Wow.
Pretty cool. So
All
let's
right.
have Devin Almonte come out.
Let's do that.
Come on out, Devin.
Hi,
Nice
Devin.
to see you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you? Good
You
to
come
see
and stand in the
again.
middle here, my
Okay.
dear.
How are you?
All right. So
Here we
tell
go.
us.
Stuff over.
I
Yep.
think the idea of the Go Cool makes sense for people with the scarves, but
Yes.
explain how it's going to work with the hat and the wristbands.
Okay, it's the same exact thing because you have the cooling technology
Sure.
in the hats, you have them in the wristbands, and they do the same exact thing as the towels. All you need is water and air to get this to work.
Love
okay?
it. Water and
Wow.
air.
Yep.
I think
Awesome.
most of us have that.
I think so.
You can use any water source. So if you're at the beach, you said you might be going to the beach tomorrow.
Yes.
So this is perfect. Just dip your hat in the ocean. Your
Or go to a water fountain,
Water fountain,
water
right?
hose
So
in the
if you're
backyard.
at the amusement park or whatever
Yep.
it might be,
Yep.
you'll probably always have water, and of course there's always air, so you
Yeah.
can always be cool.
Okay, so you want to see how this works?
Let's do it.
All right, so for our purposes, I'm going to use really hot water. You don't have to use hot water. Like I said, any water source, any temperature water. But I do want to show you how cool this actually
Please.
gets.
Okay. This shows the extreme, right?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So, and I'm going to take the temperature of this guy.
You can see the steam coming off.
Okay, we are at 143
degrees.
Wow.
degrees, and
Yep.
you can see that there. Okay. All right. I'll let you do the honors. You
So I
wanna do
just
it?
take this and dip it?
and just dip it. Yep.
Okay.
Don't burn your hand.
Okay.
it's
I know.
super hot.
You do it.
Yeah, you do it, David. Make David do it.
Sort of got suckered into
All
that,
right. Yeah,
right?
sure did. Walked right into that one.
Now
All
what
right.
do we do?
So now what happens?
All right. So then you're just going to wring it out. See,
Okay.
I'll participate in this
Thank
part.
you. All right.
Okay, so you're in your really hot water, okay? You just wring this out. That's all you have to do, okay?
I'm usually in hot water. For one reason or another.
You're just gonna wave this around. You want to activate it with the air, okay?
Okay.
So like the towels, you can snap it, okay?
Yes.
You can just wave it, whatever you need to do to start to get this to cool down. And you'll
Sure.
instantly start, it's starting to cool down now.
Oh
It
my,
takes about
sure
a minute
is.
to get to the coolest point,
That's crazy.
okay? So just keep waving that. We'll give that a second to cool down.
Yeah.
Love that.
Same thing with the wristbands. And the reason I love this is because it's like having a portable air conditioner with
Yes.
you. And the best way I describe the feeling that you're going for, it's a really hot day. Picture you're going into that office building, that like medical office buildings are always freezing cold. And you open those doors and you're just like, that just feels amazing. It's just to keep you comfortable, to give you relief from
And how long does it last?
This will last you about 2 hours.
Oh, seriously?
So you can
Yeah.
stay at the beach, you can enjoy it, you're going to feel cool, comfortable, and refreshed.
And I think it's
Ooh.
important to point out.
And I'm not a hat
right?
person.
I mean,
Look at me.
but it's not drenching
wearing
your
a hat,
hair
and it
either,
fit, too.
right,
Look at this
David?
big head.
It's not drenching your head
No, it's
with
not,
water.
actually.
It's not like you don't feel like when you put on this wet
No,
hat
it's
that all of a
lightweight.
sudden it's
But
like
you
all
immediately
heavy
feel
and
the
wet.
coolness, right?
Yeah, let me see if we can get this for you. Get the temperature.
This just dropped to 76
Isn't that
degrees
awesome?
from 143.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow.
Yep.
That's awesome.
It's big.
And
So
it's-
what are our choices again?
Yeah, so we have the navy with the pink. Okay, so you get the navy hat and a pair of the pink wristbands. We have the white hat with the navy wristbands, only 900 of those to go around. Remember, this is the lowest price you're going to see on this for the next 6 months, and this price expires at midnight, so you have less than 2 hours to get it. Down at the end there, we have the navy blue hat with the purple wristbands. You know, when you put on those wristbands, that's hitting you at pressure points,
Yeah.
right? So those pulse points, so that if you can keep those places cool, your whole body just seems to feel a little bit cooler. We know with your hat, again, that area up there where your head gets so hot. I know I joked with you last time.
Right.
I'm menopausal now, honey. I have an inner child who plays with matches and sets bonfires. So there are times where I'm outside, it's 85 degrees, and then I get a power surge. Oh,
Yeah.
thank goodness you have a hat like this that can give me some relief, that can give me those moments of cool
Sure.
when I'm really feeling warm.
I also want to point out these are adjustable because I have a head the size of a gorilla. And so if they fit my head, you know they're going to fit most everybody out there. These are unisex hats, yes?
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah, so they're going to, and they also absorb the moisture. So I think that's something that's going to be so very important. So you take something that would be ordinarily wildly uncomfortably hot.
Yes.
Yes.
And now it's much more comfortable. It's much
Right.
more bearable.
The way it works, the science behind it, if you will, is
Sure.
just it goes through the prolonged evaporation process.
Yeah.
Evaporation gives you the cooling, gives you the prolonged cooling,
Right.
the way it's woven into the fibers of the fabrics, which just feels amazing.
Something else to keep in mind, if you're new to shopping with QVC, maybe you've seen this kind of technology out there, but now that we've been able to demonstrate and explain it to you, you're interested. If you've never shopped with us, open an account, shop with us for the first time. You'll get a $5 credit. So that takes this $22.12 price point and takes it down to $17.12
Which is
for the
awesome.
hat and both of the wristbands. Again, water anywhere. So the golf course, the tennis club, the amusement park, the
perfect
ball
for tennis.
field, the car,
Exactly.
wherever.
The backyard, you're cutting the grass and the water hose is right there.
Yes,
I mean, this is how
exactly.
easy. You should also know about a one-day only price. Only good until the end of the day today.
Right.
And only while the supply lasts. So, and it's also the lowest price we'll see on this item for 6 months. And in 6 months, you probably won't be needing this hat because it will be
Exactly.
cooler again.
It'll be November.
Exactly. So
Unless
this is
you're at the
why.
gym, right?
Well, exactly. So now, now's the time to get this. Enjoy the easy pay. 500 of these are now gone.
Tell us a little bit about the wristbands.
Okay.
And how do I keep these clean? Can I wash
Yeah,
these, Devin?
what I love about all of these products, okay,
Yeah.
with Go Cool, it's reusable, okay? You can machine wash it, though I do recommend washing it by hand for the hat.
Yes.
Okay, but you can just throw this in the wash. I love it. So if you're out playing tennis, you're sweaty and gross. You just want to throw it in there. You can reuse it over and over again. They're chemical free, so it's not going to irritate your skin. The technology is
Wow.
going to won't wear out.
This
Hats
is now
down to
71 degrees
I
from
love it.
143 degrees.
Great.
That's crazy. So think about what kind of difference that's going to make when you are in extra innings.
Yes.
Yeah.
The third ball game of the day.
Feels like the bleacher and my behind have become one. Yes.
Well, I mean, for those of you who do have kids in sports or you're very active, you go to that first tournament game at 8 a.m. They don't play again until 1, and then their final championship games at 5.
Boy.
You're there in the hot sun all day. This is a way to keep you cool. Easy, quick, for men, for women. So jump on the line for this because this price goes away at midnight, and it's the lowest price you're going to see on this for the next 6 months. Navy pink, white navy, navy purple are your choices. F11834, and take advantage of that great easy pay.
Devin, thank you.
Yes, thank
Good to
you.
work with you.
Yeah,
Nice to
thank
see you.
Thank you. Good to see you.